Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Quick guide. Replace your car's parking brake release cable. Are you tired of dealing with a sticky parking brake on your vehicle? The parking brake release cable plays a crucial role in ensuring your brake system functions smoothly and reliably. When this component starts to show signs of wear and tear, it's time to consider a replacement. In this video, we will delve into the importance of the parking brake release cable and discuss the steps involved in replacing it. By addressing this issue promptly, you can restore the functionality of your parking brake and enhance the overall safety of your vehicle. Stay tuned to discover the benefits of timely parking brake release cable replacement and gain valuable insights into maintaining your vehicle's braking system in optimal condition. Let's roll up our sleeves and get your parking brake back in top-notch shape. Signs that indicate parking brake release cable replacement. Parking brake fails to engage or disengage. Faulty release cable impacts brake functionality. When your parking brake refuses to engage or release as intended, a faulty release cable may be the culprit. Imagine the frustration of parking on a slope, trying to engage the brake for safety, only to find it stuck or failing to hold the vehicle in place. Safety hazards increase on inclines or busy areas where a malfunctioning parking brake can put you and others at risk. Scenarios of inconvenience and safety concerns. Picture being in a rush, needing to park quickly, but the parking brake refuses to engage, leaving you anxious about your vehicle rolling away. Conversely, difficulties in releasing the parking brake can lead to unexpected delays and potential accidents. These scenarios underscore the importance of a functional release cable for a smooth parking experience. Unusual noises when using the parking brake. Recognizing auditory red flags. When using your parking brake, unusual noises such as squealing, grinding, or scraping can indicate issues with the release cable. These noises hint at underlying problems that should not be ignored, as they can escalate into more significant safety concerns if left unattended. Risks of ignoring noises. Ignoring these warning sounds can result in further deterioration of the release cable, leading to potential brake failure. An undiagnosed faulty cable can compromise your ability to secure your vehicle properly, posing risks of accidental movement and loss of control. Paying attention to these auditory cues can prevent costly repairs and ensure your safety on the road. Tools and materials needed for replacement. To successfully replace the parking brake release cable, you'll need a set of tools and materials to ensure a smooth repair process. Let's delve into the specifics of what you'll need. Tools needed. When embarking on the replacement of your parking brake release cable, having the right tools at your disposal is pivotal for a seamless repair. Common tools required for this task include screwdrivers, pliers, and wrenches. Additionally, specific vehicle models may necessitate unique tools for certain components, so it's essential to check your vehicle's requirements beforehand. Materials needed. Apart from the tools, acquiring the correct materials is equally crucial for a successful replacement. You will need the replacement parking brake release cable, along with lubricant to ensure the mechanism operates smoothly. Opting for quality replacement parts is paramount in maintaining the reliability and longevity of your vehicle's braking system. When selecting materials, consider factors such as durability and compatibility with your vehicle model to guarantee optimal performance. By ensuring you have the necessary tools and materials on hand before commencing the replacement process, you can tackle the task efficiently and effectively, ultimately enhancing the functionality of your parking brake release system. Step-by-step guide to replace parking brake release cable. Preparation and safety measures. Before diving into replacing the parking brake release cable, safety should be the top priority. Make sure the vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface. Engage the emergency brake and chock the wheels to prevent any movement. Additionally, remember to wear appropriate safety gear like gloves and safety glasses. Inspect the area for any potential risks like sharp edges or hot surfaces to avoid accidents. Removing the old cable. When removing the old parking brake release cable, start by locating it under the vehicle near the brake lever. Carefully disconnect it from the brake lever by releasing any clips or fasteners holding it in place. Trace the cable along its route and detach it from any other components it's connected to. Take note of how it's routed to ensure the new cable can be installed correctly later on. Installing the new cable. Installing the replacement parking brake release cable requires attention to detail. Begin by aligning the new cable correctly with the route the old cable followed. Secure the cable in place by reattaching it to the brake lever and other components. Ensure there is no slack in the cable to guarantee smooth operation. Test the parking brake to confirm that the cable is functioning as intended before finishing up the installation process. Testing and adjustment. After replacing the parking brake release cable, it is crucial to conduct thorough testing to verify that the installation was successful and that the cable functions correctly. Proper testing ensures that your parking brake system operates smoothly and provides the safety you need. Testing the cable. To begin the testing process, engage the parking brake and release it to confirm that the cable is moving freely without any obstructions. Next, apply the parking brake and check that the vehicle remains stationary. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate issues with the cable's operation. Test the parking brake on different inclines to ensure its effectiveness in various scenarios. Adjustment for optimal performance. If you notice any issues during testing, such as the parking brake not holding the vehicle securely or excessive slack in the cable, adjustments may be necessary. To adjust the cable tension, locate the adjustment nut near the parking brake lever and tighten or loosen it as needed. Test the parking brake again after making adjustments to ensure that it functions correctly. Final checks. Once you have tested and adjusted the parking brake release cable, conduct a final inspection to confirm that everything is in order. Double-check the cable connections and ensure that all components are securely in place. Take the vehicle for a test drive and engage the parking brake to validate its performance under normal driving conditions. By following these testing and adjustment procedures, you can guarantee that your parking brake release cable replacement is successful and that your parking brake functions optimally for safe and reliable operation. Final tips and recommendations. After replacing your parking brake release cable, there are some final tips and recommendations to ensure optimal functionality and prevent future issues. Here are some additional guidelines to help you maintain your parking brake system efficiently. Regular inspection. Make it a habit to inspect your parking brake release cable regularly. Look out for any signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion. Catching these issues early can prevent them from escalating into more significant problems down the line. Lubrication. Proper lubrication is key to ensuring the smooth operation of your parking brake release cable. Use a high-quality lubricant recommended for automotive use to keep the cable moving freely without any sticking or resistance. Adjustments. If you notice that your parking brake is not engaging or releasing as it should, it may be time for adjustments. Consult your vehicle's manual or seek professional help to fine-tune the tension and ensure proper functionality. Avoid common mistakes. When handling your parking brake release cable, avoid common mistakes such as using excessive force when engaging the brake or neglecting regular maintenance. These practices can lead to premature wear and potential safety hazards. Professional inspection. For a thorough check of your parking brake system, consider scheduling a professional inspection. A certified mechanic can identify any underlying issues and provide recommendations for optimal performance. By following these final tips and recommendations, you can prolong the lifespan of your parking brake release cable and maintain a reliable braking system in your vehicle. Stay proactive in caring for your parking brake to ensure safe and smooth driving experiences. Prioritizing the maintenance of your parking brake release cable is essential for ensuring both safety and optimal vehicle performance. By replacing a worn or damaged cable promptly, you can avoid potential safety hazards and maintain control over your vehicle in critical situations. Remember, a small investment in maintenance today can save you from costly repairs or accidents in the future. Don't overlook the importance of your parking brake release cable. Make it a regular part of your vehicle maintenance routine. Stay safe on the road and keep your vehicle running smoothly by giving this often neglected component the attention it deserves. Your car and your peace of mind will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.